Hello, welcome to TechWebDots. Today I am going to discuss Docker Windows networking, and especially three types I will be focusing on: network address translation, overlay, and non-networking. And this session is part of Docker for Business series, so please check out the previous videos to understand better. Let's move ahead without wasting time. So Docker net and overlay networking, especially we will be focusing on this. So aside from Linux specific configuration that we have seen in the previous section, the network on Windows host functions same as bridge network, right? That we discussed in the previous section. Also, net is the default network on Windows. Similarly, bridge is the default option on Linux, and all containers will connect to it unless otherwise specified. It means all the containers connected to the net, or in Linux we can say bridge, they can communicate with each other easily if they are connected to the bridge, or in Windows we can say if they are following the network address translation. Simple. On Windows, the host network is not available, right? On Windows host, there is no option to share the same IP networking stack between host and container. The network functions much like a bridge network, and the overlay option provides an IP address to the containers from the same network as the host network. So, but not the same IP address. You can think like your network as the host is your company network, and from there you want to assign some IPs to the container, and every IP will be unique. So how it will look like, for example, this is your host A, this is your host B. This is completely different, and there's a container in host A and the container in host B, right? We have the external network, and let's say we are saying our overlay network name is pets overlay, from where I picked this picture, and we have a port 8000. So overlay networking is used if container on the host node A want to talk to host node B, and both have the different IP address from the organization network. Then to make communication between them, we use overlay networking. Overlay networking uses VXLAN to create an overlay network. This has the advantage of providing maximum portability across various cloud and on-prem networks. By default, overlay network is encrypted with the AES algorithm, which is very secure. Overlay and other network option. For more advanced scenarios, both Linux and Windows provide additional network options. For example, the overlay option creates a virtual switch from the host network, so the containers on the network can get IP address from the dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP server, or operate with IP addresses from the network segment. It can be your organization network. Furthermore, Docker allows third-party vendors to create network plugins. So, okay, the few other Docker networking operating system considerations. The Docker host configuration protocol, which is DHCP, is a client server protocol that we just used this term in previous slide, that automatically provides an IP host with its IP address and other related configuration information such as the subnet mask and default gateway. So that's what I thought to give you little information on this. Operating system considerations point of view, keep in mind that there are differences among desktop operating systems for the Docker network configuration option. For example, Docker network interface is not available on macOS when using the bridge network, and using the host network configuration is not supported for both Windows and macOS. So we have to be very careful on which operating system we are using which networking type. The difference might affect the way The differences might affect the way developers configure their workflow to manage container development. In addition, Container Orchestrator might also provide other networking configuration on top of Docker setup. Okay, I hope this information is enough for the overview of the Docker networking. So in the next section, we will go through quickly what are the use cases of Dockers and the benefits. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.